Hi guys, I came for bachata dance class. So we have reached at the club right now. Excuse me, bro. Do you want to be on the camera? Hi. So, what's your name, bro?
Hi, this is Nikhil from.
Nikhil. Are you from Maharashtra?
Yeah, I'm from Maharashtra.
Yeah.
And nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah. Thanks. Jai Maharashtra.
Jai Maharashtra.
I like the Marathi dialogue. Are you a Marathi
Yeah, I'm Marathi.
person?
Yes, I'm
I
Marathi.
like the Singham movie dialogue. Ata Maji Satakli. It means
Good, good.
I'm
You're
getting
learning.
angry,
You're,
right?
you're learning very good. That's
Yeah.
very good.
I have also a mentor,
What do you mean?
Marathi mentor. He is on a mission to make India rich. His name is Booklet Guy. He is known as Booklet Guy.
Okay. I'm not aware of this.
Yeah, he's not that famous, but he's very good guy.
Okay.